Dover. Look, this is me when the Dover gets modded. Wow. Oh, this is pretty cool. Whoa. Whoa, this is pretty cool. Whoa, Dover GNS. Whoa. Wow. Really nice. Wow. Ooh, I really like this. This is at Elmwood Park Professional Plaza in Elmwood Park, Illinois. Wow. It's actually pretty cool. This is actually my first time ever riding a Dover elevator with these black halo buttons. I've ridden just normal black buttons, but I've never ridden them with like the actual light up halos on the COP. Although this one does not look to have working light up halos. Still pretty cool though. I've never actually seen this before. Of course, Dover and GNS. Now, I don't know if GNS was a Dover distributor, because I've seen them like install a lot of stuff with no Dover in it, like with no Dover blood in it whatsoever. But I don't know, hard to tell. Because I know they existed long before Dover did, but who knows. All right, that is it.